Good morning, class 10. Our next topic is triangles. In class 9, you have already studied about triangles. In class 9, you have studied congruency of triangles. Okay. Now, in class 10th, you will study about similarity of triangles. Okay. Now, first question is arise that what is similarity? What are similar figures and similar triangles? Okay. Now you can see in these figures similar figures. Two geometrical figures are said to be similar figures if they have same shape but not necessarily the same size. Example, look this Taj Mahal and this peak. Okay, this is a big rectangle and this is a small. Now you can see in this pic also this triangle and this triangle. You can see the sides of this triangle are greater than the sides of this triangle, but they are similar. Okay. Now look this figure, this circle and this circle. This circle is bigger than this circle. Means radius of this circle is greater than this circle. Okay. So if two figures are similar, then one can be obtained from the other either by shrinking or stretching without changing in shape. Okay, there is one-to-one correspondence between the parts of two similar figures. Concept of similarity is used in measuring the height or distances of objects like mountain, moon, etc. So we can say that about similar polygons. Two polygons of same number of sides are similar if all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio in proportion. If only one condition from 1 and 2 is true for two polygons, then they may not be similar. Okay, it can be verified that if one polygon is similar to another polygon and the second polygon is similar to third polygon, then the first polygon is similar to third polygon. You can see in this example, let us take this triangle. This triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay, now you can see in this circle is similar to this circle. So it understood that when polygons are similar, when all the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. For example, if sides of this triangle 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, 10. Okay, now ratio of side 3 corresponding side 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 2. It means that ratios of corresponding sides are equal. And what about angles? Angles means this equal to this should be equal to this and this should be equal to this. Okay, understood what is the criteria of similar triangles? all corresponding angles are equal and all corresponding sides in the same ratio. Now coming to similar triangles. A triangle is a plane figure bounded by three lines, three sides and three angles. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Means the ratio of the length of corresponding side should be equal. You can see this figure in triangle ABC and PQR, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. And ratio of corresponding side means AB upon PQ should be equal to BC upon QR and AC upon PR. If corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay.